Hi. Hi. Beautiful golden fish. Good afternoon. How are you today? Have you been eating lots of food? Wow. I love your look. You're all grace and beauty. All kinds of fish. Now it's Happy New Year. We have to start eating fish. To have a good health, you should eat lots of fish, like at least 4 times a week, and eat lots of vegetables and salad and fruits, especially children. Teach them how to eat fish, very healthy. You will have a great, healthy body and beautiful, healthy face. So start eating fish from now on. It's how to eat fish. This is a great food for everybody. You can make all kinds of dishes made of fish, but don't make it a fried fish. You cannot eat this fish. This is a golden fish. You have to get a fresh fish from the ocean. So okay, make sure you have a great, beautiful day and a great day. God bless everybody and peace on earth. I love you from Vitality Saints with love from Hollywood, California. Bye-bye. You have a great day, fish. Okay, I'll come back and see you again, golden fish. And make sure children eat lots of fish. Not only children, even adults. Okay, goodbye now. I'm gonna hear from you soon. And make sure, say hi to me when you have chance. Bye-bye. See you later. Have a great day.